here is Lulu. Lulu is attempting to fix a wire because I was a bozo and didn't put the light back on.
Donnie told me, but I can't. Like, I'm trying to do it. Close enough.
Yep. She's got the nails to do it. She's got a knife.
I'm a girly girl and a tomboy at the same time.
Yep, and she's doing it.
And it's totally possible, girls.
I have full confidence in Lulu. Her name is Queen Lulu 11 on Instagram, and all her friends knew her as Queen Lulu, I guess.
See, you got one.
Okay, good. Now do the same on the other one.
Beautiful. Look at that.
Yep, and then just
look at Donald's, and then look at mine.
Yeah, but you got to roll it around.
Look at how pretty mine looks.
And roll it.
And then look at Donald's. Lulu's. Donald's.
Doesn't matter, Lulu. All that matters is that you look good and you do good work, right?
Yep.
I know. Okay, 1 minute coming up, and I'm going to send it to you right now.
Okay.
To Lulu.